can always see the night, yeah.
Hey yo, what's good? Today we back in the studio with another video. We're gonna be talking about Supreme Week 5. We do have the partial drop list, and I do know the collaboration is supposed to be Thrasher. I want to go ahead and talk about what's supposed to be dropping and all that kind of shit. If you're doing up enjoying this video, slap a like on it, subscribe to the channel, make sure you go ahead and click them post notification bells because it definitely does go a long way. Make sure you subscribe, it means the world. Let's go ahead and see if we can reach 20k and then 30. But with all that being said, let's get straight into this video. So as you can see right here, we got the drop list pulled up and it says Supreme Thrasher is expected for this week, so that should be dropping. If there is like some fire items worth talking about in there, I'd possibly make a video tomorrow for you guys. But first up, we got the bottle opener webbing keychain. This is probably the best item coming out, honestly, because I love the keychain that I have from Supreme. It's something really similar to this. This one actually is a little more functional with the bottle opener on the other side of it. I really do love it. If I do go for it, honestly, I wouldn't even care getting either one of these colorways. They're all solid, and I feel like retail's probably gonna be like 20 bucks, maybe 24, which isn't that bad at all, to be honest. I really do hope that these don't fly because they go hard, and if I could get my hands on it, I'd probably just get it and store it just in case for when the keychain I have now goes bad. I have a couple little extra ones, as you can see, hanging from like the top of these things. I don't even know if y'all can see it. But second up, we got a banger coming out, and it's this split S logo hoodie. This goes crazy. Basically, the front of it has one color and the back has a different color. That's nuts. This definitely goes hard in the double gray color. The black with that white or cream goes crazy. Brown with the tan is probably my favorite. Then you got the pink and blue gender reveal joint. That one's clean too. I feel like these are all hard. The only one that I would probably stay away from is the Christmassy color, like the green on front, red on back. I'd probably sleep on that one, but this honestly goes hard. That pink color is crazy. Let me know what y'all have to say about this piece. I feel like this might go ahead and have some resell as time goes on. I don't feel like right now is the time to resell this. Maybe hold it for like February, March, when it's still a little bit cold, but further in the season, this might be doing a little better by then. We do have this Hasten, hopefully I'm not butchering this shit, Hasten's Maranga Bed. I don't know what I just said. That's a disclaimer, bro. Like, I don't know how to say this shit, but that bed is probably gonna retail for hella high. Like, I've been hearing 15k, some crazy ass prices for this bed. I don't know what it's made out of. It's probably handmade. Let's go ahead and see real quick. This says king size continental bed, 27 layers of horsetail hair, bruh. You sleeping on horsetail if you buy this bitch. And it's big as hell. It's literally 76 by 80 inches, which is actually big as fuck. Then it's like low as hell. It's 21 inches high. I don't know, bruh. This looks like a fucking ottoman to me. But we do got the Arabic logo washed short sleeve. This is a sleeper piece. I feel like they've been dropping some clean ass tops this season. This one with the small Arabic logo, really minimal, honestly solid, and that olive colorway goes so hard. Brown is clean, and I still don't have a brown shirt. I might end up going for this, to be honest. I'd probably stay away from the all white one because that's like a one-time wear. The blue is clean with that red on it. That's actually type fire. I like the washed black or the brown. Those are the two colors I'd mainly go for. The olive is solid, but slight bars. The tone that it has is a little bit too much green. Like, I like it more monotone, and that's just a little too loud for me. Definitely a solid piece. The simple logo is so fire. There's the S logo split sweatpants. These are basically the same shit as the hoodie, but on sweatpants. It has that same front and back shit, same color combinations, but just on the sweatpants. Personally, I think that the gray ones on this is the best ones. You could probably pull off the brown with the tan. Those do go hard. I really do hope that the black one has cream on the back and not white. If it has white, that's just disgusting, bro. You can't even sit nowhere. Like, that's just bad, bro. Camo ripstop cam cap is next. This one is ass. Not even gonna talk about it too much. That shit is cheeks, bro. Like, let's not even sugarcoat it. That digital camo shit is just not working on it. The plaid flannel shirt, bro. No, Fashion Nova has way better shit than this for cheaper, bro. Like, why would I spend so much money on a flannel shirt that don't even have nothing special? Like, if it would have been the crow button up, that shit was hard. But this one right here, not really worth it, to be honest. We got the monogram double knee painter pants. These got a lot of words in the title. Let's go ahead and see what the fuck these bitches look like close up, cause I don't know what. Oh, these are kind of fire. These are kind of fire, bruh. Kind of hard, not gonna lie. I do love that S that they used on these pants. It's different than the regular S logo. Clean pair of pants, I'm not gonna lie. I just wish it was pre-tailored. Like you didn't have to get these boot cut ass pants for almost $200 and then have to take them to the tailor, pay some more bread just so the bitches could fit you. Like I'm not trying to do all that. There's the Cordura Teflon 6 panel. This one is not that bad. Like you feel me? This was kind of solid in like that rust orange color. It's like a stitched on patch. I do like when they do that because it gives it more texture to the hat. I don't know. Let me know what you feel down below. The rust color and the olive, literally the two on the screen right now, are the better ones and are the ones that I personally go for. After that, I'd probably grab the purple. Damn, the black is just so clean, bro. But I have so many black hats, like I need to relax. Like we got the East-West shorts. Damn. We got the East-West short sleeve top right here. This one comes in like 6 different colorways. The pink isn't bad. Actually, this looks pretty clean, to be honest. It almost reminds me of like a vintage inspired tee, like a vintage Old Navy piece, and it's actually all stitched on there. It's like patches, almost like satin inside of it. It's not that bad. Let me know how y'all feel about this piece. Honestly, in the black, it's the best. Subtle, it has the Supreme branding on there, and the only time you see it is because of the satin. Definitely clean in that black color, but I'd probably stay away on the other ones. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Grid beanie is cheeks. Let's not even talk about that. And then this rainbow stripe beanie is even more ass. Like, please don't do it to yourself. These are just, bro, just don't do it. Please don't do it. These shits are so ass. Like, it's beyond me. Don't do it. So as far as the Thrasher collaboration goes, there's rumored to be like 8 to 9 items. It's supposed to be a lengthy collaboration. That's why, as you guys saw on the drop list, there wasn't too many items so far. It's because the Thrasher collab is probably going to be half of the drop list for this week. Supreme normally does 15 to 16 items each week, at least on the average weeks when it's not like a big ass collab or one of the fall tee weeks. Obviously, those weeks there's more items. The first week for the collab, there's supposed to be a varsity jacket, like 3 to 4 tees, a 6 panel. It has like a wide variety of shit. You guys are seeing it right here. There's literally an endless amount of items that's supposed to come out in this collaboration. I'm excited to see it. If I do post this video today, Monday, then I might record a smaller video dedicated to the collab tomorrow, just to see what you guys think. Probably like literally like a 5-minute video. Let me know what y'all thought about this video down below. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like on it down below, bro. If you're watching it on the TV, just click the little button. It means so much when you guys support. You guys don't even understand. Like, just leave a like. It helps the content reach to more people. Subscribe to the channel, man. If you come back constantly for more content, just go ahead and subscribe, because hey, it helps out and it honestly motivates me to go harder for y'all. I'm gonna have a giveaway coming real soon, trust me. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.